So I tried doing some marbling in the house, spread plastic out. It was a big production. And I got a few pretty good items out of it, but there were some failures. It was very difficult to do the rinsing and things like that because of trying to contain the mess. So this room behind me that I've designated for the bookbinding studio is first going to be a marbling studio. I'm going to set it up for marbling in there so I can splash around, make a big mess, get things hung up, dripping, dry, so that they can be used then in projects to do the end papers and maybe put some out for sale for you guys as well if you're interested. So I'm going to get a start on that. It's going to be dusty, it's going to be messy, but I'll give you a quick view of what happens to get this shed ready to work. Well, this should do us for now. I'll get this set up for marbling. It's not far from being set up for bookbinding. We'll put some nice tools on the wall, some of the old tools. I have some more of those coming, so I'm looking forward to getting to know those, learning how to use those. And for the time being, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the beginning of our shop build, and I'm going to now do some marbling. Be kind to each other. Have a great week. See you soon.